Hello everyone! Today, I would like to show you how to create a poll on WhatsApp using your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. Then, open the group or chat in which you want to create a poll. While in the chat conversation, tap the plus sign located at the bottom left corner of the screen. From the options that appear, select Poll. In the Create Poll window, add your question. Then, tap Options to enter the choices for your poll. You can add up to 12 options. You can also rearrange the order of the poll options by tapping and dragging the hamburger icon located on the right side of the options. Once you've added your questions and options, tap Send. And that's it. Your poll has been successfully created. Participants in a group or chat can now tap on the poll answers and choose their preferences. The poll also has an option to view the results. Just tap View Results at the bottom. WhatsApp will display the number of votes for each responses. So these are the steps to create a poll on your WhatsApp using your phone. And that's all. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!